Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share you how to link your phone with your computer or laptop via Microsoft Phone Link app. So if you are a Windows 10 or 11 user and you have an Android device which is running Android 8 or later updates, then you are able to link your phone with your laptop or computer. So first open your PC and go to Microsoft Store. In the left side bottom you will see the library icon. Now hit the library icon and search for phone link. Here you get the phone link app. If you can't find phone link here, then go to home and here search for phone link, and from here you will get the phone link app. Actually I am using latest version laptop, so in this laptop phone link app is inbuilt in the system. That's why I get the phone link app from library. Now click here and then open. Now you'll get this type of interface. Here you have to put that email, the email which is logged in into your phone, and then hit the continue. Here it may take some time. Now click for get started and allow for all the necessary permissions. And then you will get this type of interface. Now you'll simply close it and open your phone. Now go to Play Store and search for phone link and simply download and open. Here again you need to sign up from same email. After sign up you will get this type of interface. Now go to the setting and then click here. Then after you have to enable it so that you can access your contact from PC also. Now click on add computer. Now it is saying here that to connect our phone to the PC we have to open any browser of our PC and open this website in it. So let's open the browser and search for the website akka.ms/phonelink. Now click on the first link and turn this on, and this is how our phone got connected to our computer. So if your problem is solved, please like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you.